Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. Your daily Ethereum update. Hope you had a great week, hope you're having a great start of this weekend, perhaps already in Asia. Depending on your time zone, could also just be your last day of work starting right now. But in this video we'll take a look at Ethereum. We'll do a full technical update because technically Ethereum right now, and that's actually quite interesting. It's actually more bullish than Bitcoin. It's been holding up fairly well. So what we're seeing right now is that the market structure for Ethereum is actually still holding up, right? So we were in this consolidation between 1780 and 1840 ultimately, and we held our support levels, even though we almost broke down below that, but we held our support levels and actually got some bullish confirmation just today when we broke above this level right here at 1810. And we broke above the 1800 level earlier today. So we'll talk about what that means, what to expect today. There's some important news we need to talk about as well. And just in general, the end of the week is always quite volatile and quite unpredictable. So I will still try to predict that, but yeah, we need to talk about that. So before we dive into Ethereum specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. And in the pinned comment you'll also find a link to BYBIT, which is my partnered exchange. If you use BYBIT right now, you can get a deposit bonus in USDT, and apart from that, I think it's a great exchange, honestly. That's why I partnered with them. But for now, let's get into Ethereum. So I checked out some Ethereum statistics for the network before this. It's still doing okay. There's really nothing much we can say about that. It's just it's one of the most stable networks out there. Now, if we take a look at volume is pretty decent. Last week around this point of time, volume was similar. But I do expect the volume to increase because today we have the PCE price index. Now, I will still do an emergency kind of update later today. But in general, what you need to know about this is that lower than expected is good, higher than expected is bad. So that's something to look out for, and that's also probably going to impact the volume and the price of Ethereum. For now, if we just purely take a look at the technicals, what we're seeing is that the dollar strength index is getting some bearish momentum. It's actually falling a little bit. And at the same point of time, Ethereum got a bullish breakout. So I think, like, most logically would be that we'll just respect that bullish breakout. Perhaps we drop down all the way to 1800, doesn't really matter. But that we respect that bullish breakout, respect the fundamentals underlying the price of Ethereum right now, and that we can actually get up to that 1840, 1845 level. Now, breaking above that seems a little bit too good to be true. It's a strong resistance with the 200 EMA, and it's also a proven resistance level. So that's a little bit too much, I think, but I do think we can get that bullish momentum. Everything is pointing towards that right now. And the only thing that could stop that is if the core price index and the PCE price index, if they are way higher than expected. Because these numbers are kind of like inflation rate numbers for the Federal Reserve. They look at this. So if it's way higher than expected, it might not be that much of a bearish blow, because we are already expecting that the interest rates will go up, but then reaching 1840 might be a little bit too much to ask. And it's probably more likely that we'll spike up a little bit and then drop back down towards these levels around 1780. And then we again can hope that we can hold those levels. But yeah, so we'll have to wait for that. Like I said, I'll do a quick update on that also later this afternoon before it happens. It's in 4 hours from now, but it doesn't mean that much because I still have to upload and render these videos. But for now, this was my take on Ethereum. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.